So about a year ago, I started making my car game, and it was bad. On video you saw a semi, maybe even fully functioning game, but in reality it wasn't living up to the standards of a good car game. Well, in this video I will show you what I did in the past year to make it 100 times better. Now, making a good car game is really difficult. Not only do you have to worry about the physics of the car, but you also have to have enough will to live to survive the massive pain that is car modeling. Even after you beat those two, your game ends up looking like this. So watching this video, what would you say that is wrong? Maybe you would say the car is sliding way too much, or maybe the car is way too fast, but what about not being able to change your car model because you messed up the script in the first place? That wouldn't be your first guess, right? After that shambolic performance a year ago, I decided to shelve the car project even though I said this. The next devlog will be out Monday. Pause. Let me spoil the surprise. It didn't came out on Monday. As a kid, I always wanted to make a car game. To be able to choose the cars you play with, to start with a really bad, scrappy car, and then build, earn, and achieve to finally be able to buy better and better cars. To feel that sense of achievement. But I guess that was it. Until about 4 months ago, where I had a brilliant idea to remake Crazy Taxi. I don't know why I thought I could do it, since my very first car project went so bad, but I gave it a try. I made the entire car script from the ground up again, and this time it was a lot less bad. It was still bad, but at least I could change the car model to be a different car this time. This was a huge deal for me. That video made me so happy. Fast forward to about 4 days ago, where I told myself, why don't I start up the racing car project again? It's been so long and I grew so much in terms of programming. Maybe this time I can make a car project that is worthy of actually releasing the game. And after 2.5 days, I came up with this. This is so good. I fucking love it. Yes! Oh my god. I finally made what I thought was a worthy car script. I added 15 cars to the game as well. Each one is different and will be able to drive differently. I added the fuel bar, which tells you which car has more fuel. I also started working on this money system, and then the greatest ideas hit me. Somehow everything made sense in my head, how this game should look like in the end. So I made a brutally good car selection screen which lets you choose a car, and then I made an indicator to say how much fuel they've got. I added these cool skyboxes that they really show the colors of the game, and I really put up a shift here. The next idea I had was to have a planet which you can rotate, and the planet will have races on it, which can range from gold, silver, and bronze. Depending on the time you completed the race, you get that amount of money, and with that money you can buy better and better cars and go on harder races and so on. I will even add the shadow of your car if you're replaying the races, so you can compete with yourself. I even added some special cars like the Batmobile, which I think is so cool. Well, for legal reasons, this is not a Batmobile, this is just a special car, number one, but you get the idea. The plan is for this to be a mobile game, since the plan for it is to be endless, to have a lot of races and have even more cars. I want the player to progress as much as they want, to never feel like they've reached the end of the line. It truly got to have them all experience and feeling. This game is my bread and butter, my dream, and I will finish it. I will publish this game. There's nothing stopping me from doing that right now. We're so close to making this game a true possibility, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your support. I want to thank you so much for watching that video, and I will see you in the next one.